Welcome to I Am Learning. I'm Teacher Cell, and in this video, I'm going to teach you about adjective clauses. So, if you are ready, then let's begin. What do we mean when we say adjective clause? An adjective clause is a subordinate clause that modifies a noun or a pronoun, which means it tells something about the noun or the pronoun in the sentence. To remember that a subordinate clause contains a subject and a verb but cannot stand alone. An adjective clause usually begins with a relative pronoun such as who, whom, whose, that, and which, or a subordinating conjunction like where or when. The necklace that I gave her is now broken. The adjective clause modifies the noun necklace. The adjective clause in the sentence is the part which is in bold. Sometimes the relative pronoun or subordinating conjunction is left out, but it does not change the meaning of the sentence. For example, the necklace I gave her is now broken. Removing the relative pronoun that does not change the meaning of the sentence. Here are some more examples. Let us read. The teacher whom I admired most retired last year. The adjective clause in the sentence is whom I admired most. The school that I worked for last summer went out of enrollees. The adjective clause in the sentence is that I worked for last summer. The swimmers who won the meet were treated to dinner. The adjective clause in the third example is who won the meet. My parents were married in the park where they met. Where they met is the adjective clause in the fourth example. Cyclists who wear helmets have a better chance of surviving accidents. Who wear helmets is the adjective clause in the fifth example. An adjective clause can either be essential or non-essential. What's the difference of it? An essential adjective clause is an adjective clause that cannot be omitted from a sentence without changing its meaning. For example, the player who batted last scored the winning run. Meanwhile, a non-essential adjective clause can be omitted from a sentence, and the meaning of the sentence will remain the same. For example, Larry, who batted last, is the best player on the team. Who batted last can be removed in the sentence, but cannot change the meaning of it. Here are some more examples. Boy Logro was the chef whose secret recipes everyone wanted. Whose secret recipes cannot be removed from the sentence because it will change the meaning of the sentence. The lampshade that we bought at the garage sale looks good in the living room. That we bought at the garage sale as the adjective clause can be removed in the sentence and still will not change its meaning. The contributor who made the large donation was never identified. Who made the large donation cannot be removed in the sentence because it will change the meaning of the sentence. who made the large donation plays a vital role in modifying the noun which is the contributor in the sentence. The cake that Anna baked tasted delicious. If we remove the adjective clause that Anna baked, the sentence will still have its meaning unchanged. Let's read more examples. Cyclists who wear helmets have a better chance of surviving accidents. The adjective clause who wear helmets should not or cannot be removed in the sentence because it will change its meaning or may have no meaning at all. The telegraph, which was the forerunner of the telephone, transmits signals over a wire. Meanwhile, in this example, the adjective clause which was the forerunner of the telephone can be removed in the sentence, and it will not change the meaning of the sentence. Now let us try to test your knowledge. I advise you to get a piece of paper and answer the following questions. Underline the adjective clause and circle the noun or pronoun it modifies. Did you get everything right? That's great! I hope you learned well. Thank you for watching this video. See you again. Bye!